Welcome back to my channel, Brown Boss Moments. In this video, I'll be showcasing the Westgreen Avenue Road Rehabilitation section of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. I'll start the journey off today at the Fairview Shopping Center. Then I'll merge to Alice Eldemire Drive, then go on to Howard Cooke so I can access Westgreen Avenue. Alright guys, so you can also get a full comprehensive drone footage on my main channel. That's Brown Boss Jamaica Tours. So ensure that you check out that channel so that you can get the full details on this project. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you the new stoplight along the Fairfield Main Road, so you don't want to miss that part. So come with me right now, my people, while I take you on this journey. Don't go anywhere. Alright my people, thank you for staying with me up to this point. So I'm coming from Howard Cooke Boulevard, going to use the filter light right now to get onto Westgreen Avenue. So I'm going to give you a drive-through right now of the Westgreen Avenue Road Rehabilitation section of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. Alright, so we just had a little downpour. Yeah, so you can see the machinery parked there, guys. We're still working. In the past, I had done like some walkthrough along this area, Westgreen Ave. Yeah, for those of you who had watched those videos, let me know what you think right now about the progress in this area. You know, given the fact that we have gone through an historical Category 5 Hurricane Melissa. This is the current state right now at Westgreen Avenue, guys. Giving you a drive through. Recent posts seen from some media outlets stated that this section, along with the Montego Bay bypass, should be completed by September 2026. Yeah, based on what you're seeing right now, do you think that this is feasible? Let me know, guys, in the comment section below. Towards the right, you have the new building for National Bakery at this end of the island, at the western region. Should have been open from December 2025, and again has been pushed back because of the hurricane. Look at the mud right now on the street, guys. Look at the mud. You know, if you go back on my channel, you would see that I had done like a walkthrough at this section shortly after the hurricane, so you can check on that. It was a complete nightmare, guys, trust me, complete nightmare. So this roadway, as you can see, they have removed the roundabouts along Westgreen Avenue, and they are going to widen this roadway so as to accommodate 4 lanes of traffic. So imagine 4 lanes along this roadway, guys. What do you think? Look at all that mud, people. Look at all that mud. But this was nothing compared to what Hurricane Melissa did. You know, shortly after Melissa, you couldn't drive here pretty much because it was filled with mud, you know, debris, under material, so we couldn't pass here. Street lights were on the ground. It was crazy, guys. There were cars stacked upon cars because cars were washed from over Westgreen or catching-all areas and washed away to as far as the stadium, the catching-all stadium. People found their cars over there. So I'm at the final roundabout here, close to Grand Depot, the Chinese supermarket that opened recently, and that was also inundated with water, but they have recently opened for Christmas 2025. So there it is, guys, Westgreen Avenue going into Fairfield Main Road. Yeah, man. Just let me know in the comment section below what you think about this entire project. Yeah, do you think that Westgreen Avenue Road Rehabilitation section along with the Montego Bay bypass, the Long Hill bypass, you think all together would ease the traffic congestion here in Montego Bay? Share your thoughts below, guys. Let me know what you think.